Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Caitlin from Shumatt, China. Today I want to share with you some of our product. This is our control valve. If you're interested about this one, please follow me. We packaged with the VCI anti-rust bags. And on this part, you can see there has a label on it. The first line is the Shumatt logo. If you want to print with our own logo, yes, contact us. We can help you design the logo, the label, the packaging bags, and so on. This part, product code F00RJ01657. This part, application injector model number 0445120078, 0451202124. This part is a QR code. Okay, let's see the inside. Wow, that's in the inside part. And actually we have two types of our packages. And today I will check this one. And let's check this first. Oh, the inside we also package with the oil paper. Wow, you can see. Actually, we not only seal in the whole side, but also seal in the separate part. This kind of valve cap with a coating and the curved letters, and this valve rolls. For valve roll, we have different ones, different sizes. If you want other sizes, you can contact us. Okay, that's all the details about our control valve. Actually, about the warranties, we have the 6 months warranties. If you are not satisfied with the qualities in the warranty time, you can contact us and we can exchange the product for you. Yes, also I have several tips for you. If you want to clean it, spare parts, you'd better to use oil to clean it. Yes, and make sure the valve cap in the right position, the valve roll can be moved smoothly. Okay, that's all the details I want to share with you. Each week we have different videos and live show on the Facebook and the YouTube account. If you like our videos, like our product, remember to follow us. And except that, we also selling injector, nozzle, repair kit, pumps, the part for the pumps, and including this control valve we are showing today. Yes, so much for today's product introduction. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.